Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 best budget amps for 2023. If you're a music enthusiast on a budget, finding an affordable yet high-quality amplifier can be a challenge. But don't worry, we've got you covered with our carefully researched list of the best options. So without further ado, let's get started. In 5th place, we have the Audio Engine N22. The Audio Engine N22 is a compact desktop audio amplifier designed for use with passive speakers. It features a minimalist and sleek design with a built-in power amplifier that delivers 22 watts per channel of high-quality audio output. The N22 has multiple input options, including RCA, 3.5mm mini jack, and USB, allowing you to connect various audio sources such as your computer, smartphone, or turntable. It also has a variable output for connecting a powered subwoofer if desired. The N22 is known for its excellent sound quality, with a clean and detailed audio performance, and it's easy to use with its simple volume control and power switch on the front panel. The Audio Engine N22 is a popular choice for those looking to upgrade their desktop audio setup or add an amplifier to their audio system for enhanced audio performance. Next up, we have the Marantz PM5005. The Marantz PM5005 is a stereo-integrated amplifier designed for high-quality audio performance. It features a robust and sleek design with a built-in power amplifier that delivers 40 watts per channel, 8 ohms, or 55 watts per channel, 4 ohms, of clean and dynamic audio output. The PM5005 has multiple input options, including analog inputs for connecting a CD player, turntable, or other audio sources, as well as a headphone output for private listening. It also has a phono input with a built-in phono preamp for connecting a turntable without the need for an external phono preamp. The PM5005 is known for its warm and detailed sound signature, with excellent musicality and accuracy in reproducing audio. It also features Marantz's proprietary HDAM, hyper-dynamic amplifier module, technology for improved audio performance. The PM5005 is a popular choice for those looking for a high-quality integrated amplifier for their stereo audio system. In 3rd place, we have the Fosi Audio BT10A. The Fosi Audio BT10A is a compact Bluetooth amplifier designed for audio enthusiasts looking for a versatile and affordable solution for their audio setup. It features a built-in Bluetooth 5.0 receiver, allowing you to wirelessly connect your devices and stream music or other audio content without the need for additional cables. The BT10A has a compact size and sleek design, making it suitable for desktop or small-scale audio setups. It delivers 50 watts per channel, 2 channels, at 4 ohms, providing ample power for driving bookshelf speakers or small passive speakers. The BT10A also has multiple input options, including RCA inputs for connecting a CD player, turntable, or other audio sources, as well as a headphone output for private listening. It also features tone control knobs for adjusting bass and treble to customize your audio experience. The Fosi Audio BT10A is known for its good audio performance, with clean and clear sound reproduction. It's a popular choice for those looking for a budget-friendly Bluetooth amplifier for their audio system, such as for desktop setups or small rooms. In the 2nd place, we have the Yamaha RS202BL. The Yamaha RS202BL is a stereo receiver designed for audio enthusiasts looking for a straightforward and affordable solution for their audio setup. It features a classic design with simple controls and a clean front panel layout, making it easy to use and set up. The RS202BL delivers 100 watts per channel, 2 channels, at 8 ohms, providing ample power for driving bookshelf speakers or larger passive speakers. It has multiple input options, including RCA inputs for connecting audio sources like CD players, turntables, or other audio devices. It also has a built-in AM/FM tuner with 40 preset stations for convenient radio listening. The RS202BL features Yamaha's proprietary natural sound technology, which is designed to provide high-quality audio reproduction with faithful sound reproduction and minimal distortion. It also has tone control knobs for adjusting bass and treble, allowing you to customize your audio experience to your liking. The RS202BL is known for its good audio performance and reliability, making it a popular choice for those looking for an affordable and reliable stereo receiver for their audio system. Finally, coming in the first place, we have the Sony STR-DH190. The Sony STR-DH190 is a stereo receiver designed for audio enthusiasts who want a versatile and affordable solution for their audio setup. It delivers 100 watts per channel, 2 channels, at 8 ohms, providing ample power for driving bookshelf speakers or larger passive speakers. The STR-DH190 has multiple input options, including 4 RCA inputs for connecting audio sources like CD players, turntables, media players, or other audio devices. It also has a built-in AM/FM tuner with 30 preset stations for convenient radio listening. The STR-DH190 features Sony's phono input for connecting a turntable directly without needing a separate phono preamp, making it convenient for vinyl enthusiasts. It has tone control knobs for adjusting bass and treble, allowing you to customize your audio experience to your liking. The STR-DH190 also has a dedicated headphone output for private listening. It has a minimalist design with simple controls and a clean front panel layout, making it easy to use and set up. The STR-DH190 is known for its good audio performance, reliable operation, and affordability, making it a popular choice for those looking for a budget-friendly stereo receiver for their audio system. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best budget amps for 2023. We hope this video has helped you find a great amp that fits your budget without sacrificing quality. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and please click on the description down below to get the best price and further product information.